How to remove mailbox in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to more settings. Here in more settings on left side, okay, go to mailbox. In mailbox, okay, you can see here the mailbox list. And for my example, I remove this to the legend at gmail.com mailbox email. You'll have to do to remove is click the mailbox you want to remove. So for my example, I remove this, and after you click, okay, you can see on the right side and scroll down and you can see the remove mailbox button here, and click this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now are you sure you want to remove? Okay, click the remove mailbox button to successfully remove the mailbox. And after that, back to inbox to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed mailbox in Yahoo Mail on computer.